welcome back, Beat Babes. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you want to join the Beat Babe family, then go ahead and scroll down and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so you won't miss another upload. Today's tutorial will be an easy makeup tutorial with just using a blush palette, and we're going to be using this palette to create the eye look. This video will definitely be a transformation. I transformed from this to this. Okay, so if you guys like what you see, keep on watching. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, I'm starting off with my Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown, and I'm going to use that to moisturize and also use it as a primer to prep my skin for my foundation. As you guys may have seen in previous videos, I always take a cotton swab and I always clean off any product that I have on my brows. And then I go in and I put a little bit of that milk of magnesia on top of the brows to keep them slayed all day. I'm using my Absolute eyebrow pencil in the color Smoke. I'm going to use that to carve out my brows. To clean up my brows, I'm going to use the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm using that same concealer and I'm applying that all over my lids as a base for the eyeshadow. You want to make sure that you blend out that concealer that you applied to the lids. And after we blend, we're going to go ahead and we're going to set it with some setting powder. Okay guys, and I'm going to be using this Pro Artist Blush Palette to create the eye look, and I'm going to only be using this palette, so I'll show you all the colors that I'll be using. Just keep on watching. I'm going in with the second color and I'm going to apply that underneath my transition color, and I'm just going to build that up in my crease. now that everything is nicely blended, I'm going to be using a light peach color that I didn't show you guys, I'm sorry, in the palette, and I'm going to put that on my lids. To line my eyes, I'll be using my favorite liquid liner in the world, which is the NYX matte liquid liner in the color black. And of course, you know I'm going to use that to create my wing. Now that my eyeliner is complete, I'm going to go in with the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer Correctors in Peach and Orange. And I'm going to use those two colors, and I'm going to correct all my dark circles and any dark areas that I may have on my face. This beauty sponge that I have here is the NYX beauty sponge. It's a really good sponge, you guys. You can use it for your foundation, concealer, whatever you want. It's just good to blend products out. And I'm just going to take that sponge and I'm going to blend out my Fenty foundation in the color 400, and I'm going to blend that out all over my face. Here I have some Miss 3D volume lashes that I'm going to apply to my lash line, and I'm going to be using the Envy eyelash glue. It's a really good glue, you guys. It's really good. Compared to the Duo, it's a good dupe. I'm going in with the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to use that to highlight. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in 30 medium, and I'm going to use that to set my highlighted areas. To set my foundation, I'm going in with another Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355 Coconut, and I'm just going to use that to just set my foundation. You guys, I love Maybelline products. Their powders, their setting powders, their foundations are really, really good for a good price. So go ahead and get you some Maybelline, honey. Okay guys, now this is the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony. I love this bronzer so much. I love it. I might need to stock up on this bronzer just in case they go out of stock or they discontinue it, but I really love this bronzer. It just really gives my skin a nice bronze glowy look and not make me look too dry. But yeah, this bronzer is the bomb. Okay guys, we're not quite done with the palette yet. I'm going to use that orange color and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks just to give my cheeks a nice blush and flush color. To set my makeup, I'm going in with my favorite setting spray, which is the Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, and I'm going to use that to spray it down. You guys can also use this spray as a primer, and it's infused with coconut, so it's good for dry skin. Now I'm going in with that Ruby Kisses highlighter, and I'm applying that to all my highlighted areas, like my highest points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and sometimes I highlight my Cupid's bow. Now to seal the deal, I'm going in with my Skindinavia setting spray. This will definitely ensure that your makeup will last all day, guys. I am not joking. It will make sure that your makeup lasts all day. Go ahead and get you some Skindinavia setting spray. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I am just letting you guys know about products that I've used and I've tested myself. And I won't tell you guys about any products that I have not used myself and that I don't have great reviews about. To finish the look, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Peach Matte Lipstick, and then I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. Peach Glossy Lip Gloss on top because I wanted a glossy look. This makeup look is finished. Now it's time to see the transformation.